Candlestick chart using Yfinance and Plotly. In our last lesson we have learned how to download stock market data using Yfinance. Here we will learn how to plot candlestick charts using Plotly. So, let's begin by importing the required modules, that is, Yfinance and Plotly graph objects. Now let's download OHLC and volume data for TCS.NS stock ticker. Our required data is downloaded as a Pandas dataframe DF. Let's view the first few rows of the data frame. And here is the data on the screen. Now let's check the columns of the dataframe DF. As we can see, the columns is a multi-index. Let's change the columns of the dataframe with a single index as shown here. Let's check the data frame and its columns. Now our data frame has a single index but the date is an index position. Let's reset the index and get the data as a column of the data frame. The index date has become a column of the data frame. Now we are ready for plotting the data. Now let's use the figure method of the Plotly graph objects module and generate a candlestick chart from the dataframe DF. Just follow me along while I code. Our figure object with the required candlestick chart is ready. Let's show it. As this is a Plotly chart, it will be opened in the default web browser. As we can see on the screen, the chart is being opened in the default web browser. Now we can see the candlestick chart on the browser. There is also a slider at the bottom of the chart for seeing a particular portion of the chart. Let's check it. If we place the cursor over a single candlestick, the open, close, etc. values will be shown in a box as shown on the screen. If it is not required, then we may remove the slider. Here is the required code to do it. Now our chart is without the slider. On the top right corner of the screen there are a number of tools for saving the chart as a PNG file, zoom in, zoom out, etc. Let's save the chart as a .png file. And, yes, the file is downloaded in the default download folder. Now let's check the other tools. Here is the complete Python script. Just a few lines of codes and our purpose is done. Let's run the code from the terminal. I do hope that you have enjoyed the lesson and learnt something. Please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye.